real quick.
on this to the upside. So it gives you a range to capture to the upside here if we see some higher price action in the stock, particularly after earnings.
Yo.
Now this is one way to capture.
Oh
Now,
my
we do
God.
have some
When he
risk
comes
above
back
215,
right
then we
now.
start to lose money on this trade. But there's still a pretty big
Bro.
capture zone to get us back towards.
Bro, why
the
you
side
come back right when I'm about to make
this
this?
becomes a problem trade on the
Hey, what?
upside.
You be going the whole time, bro. As soon as I go live, here you is to occur in the live. As soon as I go live, you showed up in my live. The thing I didn't record this video while you just heard out of nowhere. Oh, buddy. To answer your question, like, I mean, let me look at the chart. Right? Look at this shit. Are you able to look at my chart? Yes, sir. Don't forget that I do this. Yeah, we're gonna get to this maybe regardless. Look at gold movement while everybody's sleeping. Like, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I live for. While they sleeping, we eating. You get me? You know what I'm talking about? I know, right? I like the setup on gold. I can get you paid to date on gold because I think you know, there's investing, you can invest into it. And we're looking at the chart. I got some technicals on here. Might not be all of the technicals, but some technicals. So let you see what's going on. Right here is a balance. The balance right here on this weapon support. Clear as day. Those been trending up forever. Right? This is a weekly chart. Or that's the 4 hour. This is. Look at the weekly chart on those. This is gold over time. You get me? We gonna get this money regardless. While they sleeping, we eating. You get me? So right there, this is the setup. See, this is a pattern that you can see clear as day. This is the weekly time frame. All you gotta do is just wait on gold. Just depends how you trying to play it. What you trying to do with it. You get me? The money is there. Oh, triple sweat all the time. Every time I shoot it, it goes in. That's why, look, if I play 2K today, bro, I'm dropping 40 on some fights. Get me? I'll come out. I only have to play 2K for 6 months. And as soon as I get back on 2K, I'm putting 50 on some fights. Eat for my kids. You heard? I'm gonna drop 50. I'm gonna drop 60 on motherfucker with Bert. I'm gonna use Lay Bert. And I don't care who guarding me. They getting about 70 dropped on them. I don't care. Larry Bird going crazy. My Larry Bird bill is putting in work for my kids, boy. Larry Bird gonna do it, boy. Larry Bird gonna get it done. You heard me? Larry Bird gonna get look. Larry Bird and the crew out with right there. We be having problems, but there's no Larry Bird to do stuff, right? The Bird was playing with me. And no Frost, and no SheldronFrost to control me. How about Larry Bird? Funny every time you get to shoot that motherfucker. Every time Larry Bird shoot that motherfucker, he's gonna go ahead and somebody better do their research on Larry Bird. Yeah, I know, right? They better do their research on Larry Bird. That's all we do is do our research on Larry Bird. Oh, my bad, John. I was trying to take my audio. This dude came back to me. He couldn't even check my audio. My bad, y'all. Yeah, I had to talk to him real quick. So I said he ready to shoot Oh shit. So now that he's gone, we can get back to work. Because we got a job to do. Everybody gotta go to work, chat. I'm here with you in the trenches, baby. Don't forget about SheldronFrost. Alright? I'm out here. 24/7. He don't sleep. You just make sure you subscribe and you follow. Alright? Plus, can't none of y'all see me in that chat. Ain't none of y'all in that chat see me in that chest either. I'll tell y'all that right now. Oh, Kurt. Who's back there? Ain't nobody in the chat see me. Yeah, hey, what up, crew? Hey, you know crew don't fuck with me, by the way. I'm not even gonna say that. You know crew don't F with me. A lot of members of the crew. Unless you trying to do like some type of intervention or you like Captain Peacemaker. I don't think this is a good idea. Stop muted. Hey, look. All right, so I know you didn't call me in here so you can talk to Top about his Facebook. Cause I'm still at work, bro. All right, so I'm gonna holler at you guys after work, okay? After work, I'll play with you guys. See what you guys are on. But, why am I here, Juan? Like, the moment I hit live, look, the moment I hit live, you come back and you got me in here. Look, you know I'm live recording, right? I gotta have everybody's consent for that bullshit. You get me? Like, what are we doing here? Man, you invite me here to tell me to go back to work. Why are you high or drunk or retarded? Why did you get me in here when I just told you I was going live? It's like I tell a girl the same thing, and then I tell a dude the same thing. Like, bro, I'm doing my job. If you don't leave me alone, invite me. Look, chat, they gonna invite me. He gonna invite me to a whole party with dudes when I just told him I'm going live making a video. You think I'm gonna be up all night doing this? I'm about to get up in the morning and get this money, so I can see my kids on the weekend. Can't stand people want to play the game all day. You think I was playing the game all day? I'm in here trying to figure out how I can help. You know what I'm saying myself. And let's get to this video. You get me? All right, so we got gold pulled up. While we looking at gold, I mean, I'll tell you right now. I like the setup on gold, like I said. Hold on, let me check my audio before I actually try to record. You know what I'm saying, chat? You gotta stay focused, man. Don't let nobody distract you off your goals. Tell me to go back to work. You know, might check one, two, might check one, two. I'm low, okay? I need to go. I'm gonna make you up here. Might check one, two. All right, that's perfect. Yo, Sheldon Frost here. How you guys doing today? Yo, how's that sound, everybody? SheldronFrost with that robot voice. Hey, I think we found. I think we got it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think we made it work.
Year. So the company's got that strong backlog.
You know what I'm saying? If y'all work with me, I can work with y'all. You get me?
Very well-run company over the last couple of decades. So the ability for them to take maybe a more capex-heavy investment strategy over the
Until we get better equipment.
I think makes sense. As Mark Zuckerberg says,
We're gonna use the equipment that God gave us.
this is an existential threat to these large mega cap
You know what I'm
businesses.
saying?
The threat of underinvesting is less than the threat of investing by a few billion. Crazy to say, I know, but compare that to where Apple are with their lack of investment. I think I'd be taking the Google strategy here and be doubling down and making those
Y'all
bets
need the music loud.
and going all in. This is a chance when they
I need a second
disrupt the
opinion.
entire stack.
And I don't have it.
Switch phones because of AI.
Oh, come on. You should like to hear it. They should have the straight.
We'll leave it there for today. That is Stephen Jenkins, CEO, Principal Analyst at High School Frames and Research
Yo. What do you guys think about this whole setup?
Charles Schwab offers a webcast that's right for you. Are you an active trader? Our active trading webcasts are designed to help you develop a deeper understanding of technical analysis, options,
Well, that's not bad. I mean,
Best
these
of
are
all,
some
you can
background.
ask questions by chatting directly with an education coach. It's interactive learning at its finest. Tune in live or watch on demand. Head over to schwab.com/coaching and start learning today.
Real-time access, or on demand. Head over to schwab.com/coaching and start learning today.
Schwab Network delivers real-time market insights, live from the NYSE, NASDAQ, the SIBO, and beyond. From earnings to economic data, we cover what matters as it happens. Streaming 24/7, anytime, anywhere, free on schwabnetwork.com. You're watching The Wrap. I'm Jenny Horn, and before we close things out, here's a final look at the day's biggest stories and what's next on the horizon.
We've got a good look at the state of China e-commerce this week with JD.com and Tencent reporting earnings yesterday, Bala reporting early next week. Crane shares China Internet EPS is up on 30% this year and hit a 3-year high on October 2nd. So let's go inside out on China stocks ahead of Baba earnings. Joining us now is Brendan Ahern, Chief Investment Officer at Crane Shares. Thanks so much for your time, Brendan. So nice to speak to you as always. Happy Friday. So, just before we came to you, I painted a pretty grim backdrop of the sort of macro picture right now off the back of the data we got last night. Crane Shares up this morning, Alibaba up this morning. Why are investors not too worried about the state of the Chinese economy right now?
Yeah, thanks. Great to reconnect, Sam. Good to see you here in the U.S. But no, I think yeah, the data, the economic data in China has been not too hot, not too bad. It's kind of mediocre at best. But at the same time, you still see from the company some great earnings growth. actually doing all right. I think overnight we had this real kind of U.S. AI valuation-induced sell-off. Really, growth stocks globally were just kind of hammered, particularly the semiconductor stock in Japan. But so I think it's a little bit of big picture. China's doing okay, but some of the companies geared to China's economy are finding opportunities.
Yeah, they certainly are. And I mean, as you say, Tencent, Dingdong, JD.com, not looking too bad. Even if there was a little bit of margin pressure there, it does look like the investments like JD is making into perhaps some of the food delivery wars is paying off for them. Tencent is now getting into this 3D imaging sort of new world frontier of artificial intelligence. I don't even think we've got past this one here to get to the next one, but I'll leave it there. But taking on the likes of SAI and what Google's been doing is certainly interesting. Let's talk about pharma though, because we're going to hear from this one next, and this is really a big one because it's up 90% year to date. It's really been a favourite this year, particularly as a sort of more inexpensive way to play the whole AI thing. Talk us through what you're watching as far as the metrics, because to my understanding, it's really been the core business. It's been getting back to what it's good at, e-commerce, and also when it comes to the cloud. As far as those revenues, they've been holding up. But what are you going to be watching?
Yeah, the core e-commerce business has been challenged because of very light domestic consumption in China. I think there's going to be increased policy support. We've got the draft of the 15th five-year plan, which really emphasizes raising domestic consumption. At the same time, the actual e-commerce numbers have been pretty light, and that's why you see kind of top-line growth is pretty lackluster. Analysts are expecting only 5% revenue growth year over year. At the same time, in the previous quarter, you had more than 20% growth in cloud. So I think investors are going to be very focused on the cloud computing. Can that pick up some of the slack based on the tepid top-line growth due to the core China e-commerce business?
Okay. I'm just wondering, as we look at what people do see as more of an inexpensive way to play the whole AI thing, with sort of the Alibabas of the world. I do want to just switch gears to Xpeng, and I know you were going to be talking about a little bit of retail and e-commerce players, but I do want to pick up on what we've seen this week with this kind of view that it's going full Tesla right now, with this sort of validation of robotics, humanoids, etc. I'm just wondering what you're seeing as far as that company, as to how much credence we should give to this story as maybe another sort of cheaper way to play the whole AI trade, and particularly off the back of what Tesla's been doing.
Yeah, definitely. I think Crunchers is known because of K-Web, and I think Alibaba's IPO really helped put K-Web on the map. At the same time, I think Unitree is going to put our Coid ETF. So we launched a humanoid robotic
financial expiration. You're going to capture that earnings event, so implied volatility levels are higher. So I looked at a neutral to bullish short put vertical that takes advantage of upside exposure, but then if the stock doesn't do anything, or maybe even the stock pulls back, I can still profit on this type of strategy. So in that November 28th weekly option, sell 150 strike put out of the money to the downside by about 10, 11 bucks, and then buy the 140 strike put. So a short $10 wide neutral to bullish put vertical. Collecting roughly, I've got 225 credit on here. That's where it was trading before the market reversed, and now we're higher. So probably trading about $1.70 right now. But the credit you collect is what you can make on this particular trade. So if you collect 225 bucks with $775 in risk, a little bit more risk versus reward if you collect only $1.70. But that break even on this one of 147.75 over the next 2 weeks. That's about.
Yo, how's everybody doing? Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Sound check. Sound check. I don't want to be too loud and scream. I get excited easy. Okay. We got earnings this week, y'all. SheldronFrost here. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all what I'm looking at. First, I got Post pulled up. Like, look at Post. This is the weekly chart on Post. This is the setup I'm looking at. Of course, you know, I invest and trade long. So I'm looking at this on a long time frame. If we get a breakout, this is going to be beautiful. So I'm thinking something maybe 6 months to a year out. If you're looking at options, if you're investing, beautiful setup. This one is a high risk, high reward, but they have earnings this week on Thursday. High risk, high reward. You tell me what they're going to do. I'm going to trade what I see. Earnings week. When I'm looking at weekly time frame for Walmart, I mean, all of earnings is kind of hit or miss, you know. Risky altogether. But just, we need Walmart. So overall investing, I like Walmart. We need this to hold right here. This is a trend. We need this to hold on the weekly. We need this to hold MACD. We need to hold. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Moving along. Ooh, okay. Show me the money, okay. Okay, show me the money. Oh my goodness, Lowe's. Okay, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what's going on, Lowe's. Yeah. I'm about to buy 10 shares. As soon as I get paid with my disability money, we're going to come in here and we're going to get to it. All right. Solely invested. Excuse me. I can't even talk sometimes. You know what I'm talking about? I twist to exist. You get me? Yeah, I like Lowe's, man. Let's go. Man, you got some dividends for me? Okay. Look, make sure y'all do your own research. I like how they performing right now, so but they didn't want to let me find Home Depot at first. I'm sick of it. Hey, we live. So we playing with me. All right, so look, check this out on Home Depot. I mean, you know, no. Look, check this out though. Check this out. I don't know about earnings, but some of this stuff can be played, before. Well, they have earnings on Tuesday, but check this out. Ping. Oh, they gotta come down here and test this. Obviously, they coming down here weekly, so it brings me to the market. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? Everybody has the video on their watch list. They don't have earnings. I'm gonna see if I can make this clear for y'all, so you can see what is going on the spot. Okay. All these lines are supporting resistance. Let me tell you, so you can understand. This is the all-time high right here. This diagonal is gonna be your resistance. Bank came all the way down, right? Depending on, look, I'm bullish on the market. Don't ask me what I think. All right. I'm looking at the MACD. I'm looking at volume. I trade what I see. So according to the video, this can make or break the market, I think. The MACD is crossing on the weekly. Right up in there, right? Wait, someone around here. Let me show you. They're at a resistance, so it just depends how they go. Earnings can make or break. So we just have to trade what we see. I advise everybody to be careful. You can't go wrong with investing. You know, some with earnings and PAL and stuff like that. Sometimes technicals don't matter. So with investing, you can't lose. So, excuse me. That's all I got for you guys. Oh no, you know what? I got something else. I got a bonus setup for you guys. Clean this up a little bit. It's clear as day. Need them. Ooh, look at that on the weekly though. I see that little bit of divergence right there. Nope, it's pointing down. So y'all better be careful. So, anyways, my setup, my bonus setup for you guys. I'm looking at was gold. Bullish as ever, right? I like this setup. I'm looking for a retest and potential breakout eventually. Keep it on your watch list. Especially if we get one of them cold 10s on the market. Market start going down. Keep your eye on gold. I don't care what they say. You follow your heart. Do your research. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. I'll be on in the morning. Oh my God, in the morning. 9:30 to 4 every day. You know what I'm saying? We get into it. I trade on Moo. As you know, love Moo. You know what I'm saying? They don't found me, and on this journey, they've been blessing me, man. Just get into it with all these tools. Look at this. And make trading and investing easy. It's 24-hour news. Like, you literally get everything. Any option tools. Like, come on now. Zero commissions. Like, look, there it is. pause, rewind, like, follow, subscribe. You know, you get whoever's portfolio you can copy from. Like, come on, y'all. There's no reason why no one should be investing. You know, come on, get out here and get this money. You know, if you don't got no money, tell me right now. Here's a link down here in the comment in the description. You know, cash out. This is passive income. But look, right here. Come on, get to it. You go right to your PayPal. Like, come on. You know, quit playing. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Right. So
I can't stand people, bro.
pack there, Michael. I mean, you just talked about how much
Right here. I'm looking for youth.
Just talk to us about how much that actually represents and what's your end game here.
Well, we own about 640,000 Bitcoin, and that's about 3.1% of the network. 3.1% of all the Bitcoin that will ever exist, we have acquired. Most of that we've acquired with equity capital, about $50 billion plus of common equity, about $6 billion worth of preferred equity, and so the company is substantially equity, and our primary business line is to issue this credit instrument, and every year